Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. You are most welcome in my YouTube channel. If you are new in my channel, so please subscribe my channel so that you can learn English with me and you can get many information regarding to spoken English. Yeah. So without loss this time, I am going to start and today's topic is that how you can learn English easily and what you have to study in the grammar. Because I thought today that I should make a video related topic that which grammar rules you have to study so that you can understand the English easily and you can speak the English easily. Yeah, because I thought there were many people who had commented on my comment box. They asked me that what should we have to study in the grammar so that we can also learn English like you. Yeah, because there are lots of people, they don't know what have they study and they don't have any kinds of basic grammar rules, so that they cannot understand whatever they are speaking. They cannot understand very well and they cannot make like small sentence without the knowledge of grammar rules, lack of grammar rules. So this video will be really helpful for those people who don't know about what have we study and what should we do and which kind of which type of grammar rules we have to study. They don't know, so that's why I thought that I should make a video for those people who don't know and who wants to learn English. So without loss this time, I'm going to start. So first of all, I will tell you in this video, you have to study. If you don't know anything, if you don't know anything about any kinds of English and any kind of English grammar rules, and if you want to learn English, so you have to study. First you have to study each MR in the grammar. Yeah, you have to make more and more sentence related to each MR, and I am going to tell you that how you can study so that you can understand easily and how you can practice easily and you can make a sentence regarding each MR. So first of all, I would like to tell you each MR. Each means है, R means है, M means हूँ. So how you can practice? You have to make simple sentence. मैं एक लड़का हूँ, I am a boy. या मैं एक लड़का नहीं हूँ, I am not a boy. क्या मैं एक लड़का हूँ, am I a boy? मैं एक लड़का क्यों हूँ, why am I a boy? मैं एक लड़का कैसे हूँ, how am I a boy? Like this you have to practice. Yeah, like this you have to practice. You have to make more and more sentence related to each MR. You have to make more and more, as much as you can make sentence you have to make. After that you have to try to speak. You have to try to speak. You have to try to speak loudly, not in silent mode. If you will not try to speak, you cannot speak the English, because learning and speaking, both things are very different. You have to try to understand. I have seen a lots of people, they are only learning, rules and regulation, but they don't try to speak. It's the reason they cannot speak in front of the people. So whenever you are learning the English, you are learning the grammar rules. Yeah, simultaneously you have to try to speak, as well as you have to try to speak. Without speak, you cannot speak the English. You should speak anything, whatever you have in your mind. You have to say any English word every day. Every day you should try to speak. It does not matter that whatever you are speaking, it is wrong and right. It does not matter, because you are learner and don't afraid from mistake. Whenever you will not do mistake, you cannot learn new things, and mistake is the parts of human being. Because I have seen a lots of people, they always think that whatever I will speak and it will be wrong, it may be wrong, so what will people say? So don't think like that, brother. If you will think like that, you cannot start speaking English. Yeah, whatever people are saying about you, let them say anything. Yeah, so you don't have to think about those people. You just have to speak in the English. Like that you have to try to start. So I told you that first you have to study like EGMR. After that use of head. Like I am going to tell you some example. You have to practice like that. मुझे एक घर था, I had a home. मुझे एक कलम था, I had a pen. मुझे एक मोबाइल था, I had a mobile. क्या मुझे एक घर था, had I a home. मुझे एक घर क्यों नहीं था, why had I not home. Like that you have to practice. Yeah, and shall, will, like that you can practice. मैं रांची जाऊँगा, I shall go to रांची. मैं रांची नहीं जाऊँगा, I shall not go to रांची. क्या मैं रांची जाऊँगा, shall I go to रांची. मैं रांची क्यों जाऊँगा, वाई शैल आई गो टू रांची, लाइक दैट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस। या एंड वो जाएगी, सी विल गो, वो नहीं जाएगी, सी विल नॉट गो, वो क्यों जाएगी, वाई विल सी गो, लाइक दैट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस। आफ्टर दैट हैज़ एंड हैव, हैज़ एंड हैव, हैज़ एंड हैव, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस। मुझे एक मोबाइल है, आई हैव अ मोबाइल, मुझे मोबाइल नहीं है, आई हैव नॉट मोबाइल, मुझे मोबाइल क्यों है, वाई हैव आई मोबाइल, मुझे मोबाइल कैसे है, हाउ हैव आई मोबाइल। उसे एक किताब है, ही हैज़ ए बुक, उसे एक किताब नहीं है, ही हैज़ नॉट ए बुक, उसे क्या उसे किताब है, हैज़ ही बुक, उसे किताब क्यों नहीं है, वाई हैज़ ही नॉट बुक, लाइक दैट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस। आफ्टर दैट you have to study verb. You have to remember very well verb forms. Verb form means like a go, go is verb 1, V2 will be went, V3 gone, V4 going, V5 goes. Like that, as much as possible you have to remember more and more verb forms. Without verb forms you cannot solve the sentence regarding to tense. After remember the verb forms, you have to study tense. Tense is the root of English. Without study of tense chapter, you cannot understand and you will not make sentence structure correct. You will only speak broken language without study of tense chapter. So tense is the most important thing. Yeah. So first of all, I said that before starting the tense chapter, you have to study verb forms very well. Without verb forms, you cannot solve any kinds of sentence in the tense chapter. That's why you have to remember very well the verb forms. After that you can start the tense chapter. You all know that there are three types of tense. You should clear your doubt from tense chapter. You can watch on YouTube regarding the topic of tense chapter. If you will have any kinds of doubt regarding the tense chapter, then you can clear your doubt from the tense chapter after watching the videos like that. You can do. After that you have to study preposition. Preposition is also most important things. Yeah. After that you have to study voice chapter. After that you have to conjunction. After clear from these all chapters doubt, you can easily understand how to make in English structure, how to write. You can easily write on the copy after study of these all. I hope you will cover these all chapters. After that you can easily understand the English. Yeah. I hope that this will be very helpful video for you. Thank you for watching.